lovely people, James Morrison, James Social Cycling. How are you doing? My mind's going, what day is it? What day is it? How are you doing? Thursday evening. It is a lovely, cloudy, cold day. Yes, it is. So, how are we all? Are we all looking forward to the weekend? Because I know we are, because we've got a bank holiday weekend coming, which is more time to spend on the bike. And I'm off work next week. Ooh, off work. Nice. Whole week. And the weather looks rubbish. Well, it looks okay. Doesn't look brilliant. Anyway. Well, I'm here to do a unboxing. Ooh, says. Ooh. So, yes, unboxing. Let's just get into it, shall we? Let's get into it. I've got my bikes back. Thought you'd be glad to know. I ended up sending them all off yesterday. Not yesterday. Ended up sending them all off on Monday, and then I was away Tuesday night. So I was away Wednesday with the boss, and yeah, got the bikes brought back. The bikes were brought back yesterday, which was very good, which was brilliant in fact. So I, for the first time, used a different guy to have a look at my bike. So I sent off the Defy and I sent off Ruby. So he took both of the bikes. He was going to have a look at the bottom bracket on one, Ruby, because of the noise, and then he was just going to give the Defy a good old run over. Changed over the group set, cassette and chain for me. Put my old bits back on from the Ruby because it was better. And to be fair, I don't want it to look too good. It's sort of, I want this to be sort of like the winter bike and the gym bike, so I can ride down to the pool. So when people give it a quick glance, pop the pants, don't want to nick that. So they won't even bother. So, anyway, well, look what I've got. Not another order. Yes, another order. Let me just put that there. I might try and see if I... So it's come on. So I placed another order. Basically because I needed some more stuff and just some fantastic deals on. Some fantastic deals. So what have I got? Are you getting bored with this? I know you're getting bored with this, but I want you to spend some of your good money on a good company. So what we got? Gift for the cyclists. I know this is that. Ooh, look. Look. Ooh. Nicely, look. Look. You know what this is, don't you? You know what this is? Let's see if I can get that there. Bloody rubbish. Rubbish lighting. There you go. Look, see? Camo cream. Rambo. Chamois cream. Got the stress muscle. A nice little bag of salts. Nice little bag of salts. If you don't know, this is over 90% organic. It is all natural products. It is fantastic, and if I keep advocating it until you start buying it, I'm not going to keep talking about it. This, by the way, this has been purchased. This is for Neil Warwick, Flab Berkshire guy. Yes, the Flambassador, Flab Berkshire. He is trying it out, like you should try it out, right? Try it out. That kit's $21.50, if I'm right in saying. $21.50. $21.50. Ooh, look. Shampoo and body bar. Ooh. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Lovely. This was a little gift. It's a little gift. Thank you to Gum On. What have I bought? I bought some more muscle tonic because it was on special. I got some Face It face cream because I'm going to run out in the other one. I'm not going to look young and beautiful forever. Need some more cream. Oh, and I tried this. This is Neck and Shoulder Relaxing Cream. This is a naturally calming. Stick it on my shoulder like this. Calming. So that's cool. It's very good, very good. And for myself, I stocked up on the chamois cream. So excellent stuff. Excellent stuff. And as you all very well know by now, and if you don't, it's because you've not been watching, I also got myself some muscle and skin detox salts. This is the small bag I showed you, is what comes in the gift for cyclists. But I use so much of it, I need a big bag. All right. So excellent stuff, brilliant. Can't go wrong there. That was let me go through. That's $21.50 for the gift for cyclists. The muscle and skin detox bath salts, the 1.5 kilogram, $13.20. It's well worth the money, man. Chamois cream, that was on special at $10.40. Muscle tonic cream on special at $9.56. Face It face cream, $7.60, and the neck and shoulder relaxing cream, which I'm trying, $6.40. And soap was a little gift. So there you go, guys. Gum On. I'll put all the details in the description below. As I said, I'm going to keep on about these people because this stuff is brilliant. And you know, natural products, organic products. You got to look after yourself, I tell you. So I just saw my cup of coffee. I've just been out in the garden, the back and the front garden. I had to chase a mower up and down. And to be fair, I was pushing it, but you know, at the end of the day, someone's got to do the mowing. So brilliant stuff. So thank you very much to Gum On. As I said, details are down below of all their products. Try them out. Try them out. Look after yourself. That's what I say. Out on Ruby the weekend, I'm hoping that the noise is gone. There could be a possibility that why the noise was there, which was great. The guy I used was Simon from Precision Cycles. I'll stick a photo of it. Oh man, the van, right? If there's anybody like me, let's not even talk about it, right? The van, okay? The van is a toy in itself. It's it's a massive Sprinter, and it's basically just in the back, it's just a workshop. He said it looked mucky and messy at the time, but I tell you what, it looks awesome having your own little workshop in the back of your van. Well, it wasn't little, it was quite big. But if you're in the Basingstoke, I'll put his email down below. I tell you what, he took my bikes away, he's brought them back, he did what he could with a couple of bits. He's found a little issue that could be the noise, which nobody else has bothered to actually sort of look at, which might be the pedal. One of the pedals is a tiny bit sort of making the noise. So hopefully I'll try that out, and if the noise does come back, I'll swap the pedals over and go from there. The Defy, one of the rear wheels, pretty knackered, to be honest. I paid a little bit extra on that bike just because of the spare wheels. and I don't have a spare a rear spare wheel now. One of them was knackered. But yeah, changed all the group set for me. Did a once over on all the wheels, so all 3 of the wheels. He tried to do something with the 3rd wheel, but that didn't work. It was done. So, but yeah, and to be fair, I think very, very reasonably priced for what he did. Very happy with what he's done and the cost of it as well. So look on his website. He's got like a little map where he'll travel out to you. He collected my bikes and then done them obviously on his site, but he can come out to you and do that, and there is a map which shows you that can be a little bit extra cost if he's got to travel a little bit further. But you're talking, I thought at one point I was going to have to spend an extra £4, which was the basically him coming out of the Basingstoke area and coming a bit further out. But if you're in the Basingstoke area, try him out. Big shout out for Simon at Precision Cycles. Again, I don't know yet. I'm shouting him out, but I could get on my bike and fall apart as I ride down the road. Hey, hopefully not. Great setup, good guy, and he's got a lovely little dog as well. In the picture, you will see the dog in the picture. He's looking over, he's upset because you put him in the cab. So yeah, apart from that, looking forward to my week off next week. I am also looking forward to getting on the bike. I might sneak out in the morning. I'm working from home. My car's going in for the flywheel in the gearbox. Not cheap at all. So that's held me back a bit. The amount of times I've had a bit of money and I could have bought a new bike. So, out the weekend, I'll probably come back to you sometime over the weekend. And yeah, brilliant. Come on, Precision Cycles, plugging everybody. Nobody plugs me. What about me? When somebody's going to plug me? Me, I want plugging. I do. Check out, you've got to check out Love You, Love Life. On my, there's a Facebook page. I'll put a link below, Facebook page. There's James Social Cycling Facebook page. There's James Social Cycling group. Yeah, just trying to basically get going. I think I've got flab rides this weekend. So I got a Saturday, got a 21 miler. Sunday, I've got a beginner's ride. So if you're interested in joining a group for the first time, you're recovering from an injury, you want to try a 10-mile ride at an easy pace with a cafe stop, or you want to talk to somebody who's got a little bit of experience. It's not me. I'll have somebody else that'll have a bit of experience. Yeah, so great stuff, all right? Obviously, it's going to be a very quick video, but it never is, because I seem to talk too much. Love talking to you, all right? I'll see you on the road very soon.